guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have posted a video, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. It means a lot, more than you know. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications. For today's video, I'm going to be doing and there's Zenzo. Today's video, I'm going to be doing another DIY project I've wanted to do for a while. DIY Scrabble names. I'll insert a picture right here of what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's get started. For this project, you will need wood, and depending on the size that you want your Scrabbles to be, is just how big you get your wood. I went to Home Depot and I got the wood, and as you can see, I already have it marked where I want it to cut, so you'll have to mark that. And yeah, I'm gonna head outside and get started. So now I have all of my pieces cut, and I'm going to take a sander and just sand it by hand a little bit because the edges are a little rough, and then after that we'll start painting. Right here, I am cutting out the letters so I can use them to trace onto the boards. I didn't have any stencils, so I decided to cut them, which worked for me. And here's how it turned out. On each of my boards, I measured out exactly where I wanted them to go from the distance of each side, just so I would know exactly where they went, and so they all lined up in the center. I did that for every single board just to make sure. I ended up using painter's tape just because my hands were super shaky, and it was super easy this way so that I wouldn't mess up as much. And here in the next clip you can see where some of the paint went through the tape, and that's fine. I just went over it with some black paint that I used to paint the boards, and I tidied up some of the messes, and it came out pretty good. Here's how it came out, and I am absolutely in love with it. I love the way it turned out. If you guys loved it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Bodies, let's use them.